Hello everyone, I'm Siddhant and you are watching Career Saga YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about basics of agile methodologies for fresher and aspiring product managers. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe because I'm aiming to get 1000 subscriber on this channel. Okay, so let's start. Let's begin. If you are new to the product management or just starting your journey, understanding agile is super important. It's how modern teams build great products nowadays. Okay, so today I'll explain agile in simple terms to help you get started and feel confidence. And entire discussion we have bifurcated in 4 to 5 section. So let's dive in. Okay, so section one is uh, what is agile? Agile is a way of working that focuses on being flexible, working as a team, improving all the time, improving the product, improving the features all the time. Okay. Unlike old school methods where you stick to the strict plan, agile lets a team adjust as they deliver the result faster. Okay, so based on the requirement, based on the feedback, they continuously improve, adapt the improvement, adapt the iteration on the product or features. Okay, so Agile is guided by four key values from Agile Manifesto. Okay, people and teamwork are more important than strict rules. Getting things done matters more than writing long reports. Okay, because in agile we more focus on execution and getting continuous feedback. Then third is talking to a customer is better than following uh, uh, contracts word to word. Okay, uh, and fourth is adapting to change is more important than sticking to the s- fixed plan or strict plan. Okay, so adapt to the changes is normal in agile. Okay, in simple words, agile helps team work better together and deliver great results quickly. Okay, so then let's talk about the agile framework. Okay, so agile section 2 is all about the agile framework. Okay, so agile isn't just one way of working. There are different framework or system you can use. The most common ones are Scrum, Kanban, and SAFe. SAFe is a scaled agile framework. Okay, let's start discussing on the Scrum. So Scrum is about working in short cycles that we call it as sprints. And these sprints usually happen for 3 to 4 weeks long. Okay. And team plans build, check their progress in each sprint. So key roles in Scrum includes a product owner that decide what team should work on. Okay, then Scrum Master that helps a team stay on track and solve problems. Okay, and team members. Okay, means development team who actually do the work. Okay, so who all three key players who are part of uh, Scrum are product owner, Scrum Master, and development team or team members, you can call it out in simple word. Okay, then comes to second framework, which is Kanban. Kanban uses a visual board with columns like to do, in progress, and done. Okay, the goal is to keep things moving smoothly without overloading anyone. Okay, so it's way of if you imagine the board. Okay, where list of and board is divided into three columns. It can be increased to further more columns, right? But for example, board can be divided into what to do, in progress, and done. Okay, so three column where to do means development team will able to understand what are there in the to do list in their kitty, then what is in the progress currently, and what we have already completed or delivered. Okay, so this is how the Kanban work. And let's move to the third agile framework is SAFe. Okay, it means a scaled agile framework. Okay, so SAFe is for big companies with lot of team members. It helps everyone work together and stay organized. Okay, so these framework helps a team stay on track and get things done effectively. Okay, so let's discuss on the section three. Section three is agile ceremony and tools. Okay, agile ceremonies and tools. So to work well in agile, teams have regular meetings and use special tools. Okay, so here is what we should know. Means when I'm referring to ceremony, we in a simple word, you can understand it as a meetings. Okay, so important meetings or important ceremony. Okay, so what all three four important meetings happens in agile. Okay, uh, first is daily stand up. It happens regularly on a daily basis for 15 to 20 minutes, where a quick meeting happen where everyone share their what they are working on and any problem or blockers they are facing. If they are facing, they can raise it to the team. Okay. Then a second meeting could be sprint planning. The team decides what they will work on during the next sprint. Okay. Then sprint review. The team shows that what they have completed and gets feedback during the review process. Okay. And retrospective. So team talks about what went well and what can be improved. And again, this is end of the sprint and beginning of the next sprint. This retrospective ideally should start. Okay, sprint planning should happen. Sprint review should happen end of the sprint. Okay, sprint planning should happen before the start of the sprint, and daily stand up will be happening on a daily basis for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, and tools, ideally, many company use different tools, but majorly Jira and helps plan and track work, uh, helps plan and track work together during sprint process. And Miro also nowadays people are using because it helps for brainstorming and team discussion. Okay, so these meetings and tools helped team stay organized and work smoothly together. Okay, so let's move to section four. Section four is why agile is important for product manager. Okay, if you want to be a product manager, you need to know the agile because it's flexible, it's customer focused, and it's collaborative. Why it's flexible? Things change all the time. Okay, when you develop any feature or a product, things change most of the time. Okay, user needs changes, priorities, or even the market changes. Okay, so agile help you adjust quickly. Okay, uh, it's more customer focused. Agile is about delivering value to users as soon as possible. Okay, like when you give a sprint review. Okay, when you give demo to the customer or end user. Okay, you will directly get feedback from the end user. So it's a customer focused. Okay, so that is exactly what product manager aim to do. Okay, so and it's way collaborative. Okay, as a product manager, you will be working closely with designer teams, designers, engineers, and other stakeholders. Okay, so agile meetings make sure everyone stay aligned and on the same page. Okay, so why agile is important for product manager? It's flexible, it's customer focused, and is collaborative. Okay, so always use it's a just a tip for this one, that always use retrospective to improve how your team works and ensure everyone is aligned on priorities. Okay, so retrospective is one of the meeting or ceremony we discussed some time back, right? So make sure that every end of the sprint retrospective meeting should happen with all the team member. Okay, section 5, which is the last part, agile, and this is these agile tips is for mostly for beginners. Okay, number one, I would suggest that learn the basic. Okay, words like sprint, backlogs, stand-ups, meeting seems confusing, but you will pick up them quickly. Okay, so familiarize yourself with these basic terminologies, right? Is what is sprint, backlogs, stand-ups. Okay, what is uh, uh, stories, user stories, what is Jira, how it works. Okay, and focus on values. Always think about how your work helps the customer and the team. What value you are going to deliver at the end of the sprint, right? Be a team player, listen, adapt, and contribute during team meetings. Okay, and start small. If agile feels difficult, start with something like a Kanban. Okay, it's a simple like we discussed, right? It's a simple way of putting the things all together in one frame, in one board, where you can bifurcate to do in progress and delivered features or product. Okay, so this is all about for today. The basic of agile for fresher and aspirant product manager. Remember, agile isn't just a tool or meetings. It's a way of working and improving all the time. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, and please like, subscribe, and do share with your friends and family. Yeah, thank you.